have you ever feel like Google Play is that one store that decides what you can or can't download, like a strict parent who hides the fun stuff? Well, it turns out there is a whole world of open source app stores out there that Google would probably prefer you didn't know about. Now, these aren't shady knockoffs either. They are legit privacy friendly and packed with awesome apps you won't find on Google Play Store. So in today's video, let's explore the best open source Play Store alternative that will make you rethink where you get your apps from. Excited? So let's get started. You know how the Play Store sometimes feels like it's hiding the good stuff behind ads, trackers, and endless recommended for you nonsense. And that's where OpenAPK comes in, a refreshing alternative that is all about open source, privacy, and simplicity. It's basically a curated treasure chest of free and open source Android apps and games, updated daily, so you always get the latest version straight from the source. Even though it doesn't have a dedicated app yet, the website feels surprisingly smooth. You get a clean interface with tabs for latest release, featured apps, and popular picks. There is also a search bar right on the top and a neat category section that helps you find gems you would never see on the Google Play Store. But my favorite part, you can actually submit your own APKs to showcase your work to the community, something Google Play would charge a fee for and probably take weeks to approve. So if you're tired of algorithm-driven app stores, OpenAPK is a pretty awesome alternative that keeps things open, transparent, and super easy to explore. Now, if you're tired of Play Store deciding what's best for you, or worse, bombarding you with ads before you even find what you're looking for, then you should definitely check out Neo Store. It's a sleek open source app store that puts you in control. The design is clean, modern, and just feels right, like the Play Store went minimalistic and finally got its act together. Everything here is built for simplicity and freedom. You can easily browse, discover, and download new apps without dealing with bloats or trackers. Each listing comes with detailed info, recent updates, and even access to multiple repositories, so you always get the most up-to-date versions. Now, what really set Neo Store apart though is its powerful sorting and filtering system. It's seriously next level. You can filter apps by category, repository, or popularity in just a few taps. And to top it all off, it even keeps your apps automatically updated so you can relax while it does the work. In short, Neo Store is the clean, open source, and privacy-friendly app store experience we all wish Google Play offered. Now, if you have ever felt like the Google Play Store is a bit predictable, then you're going to love our next app store. F-Droid is the hidden gem of app stores that packed with open source apps you won't usually find anywhere else. Think of it as the indie app scene of Android, full of creative, useful, and sometimes downright brilliant apps made by passionate developers. Now, what makes F-Droid a standout is how clean and trustworthy it is. No shady downloads, no cracked software, and definitely no accidentally installing a virus while looking for a flashlight app situations. Everything on this app store is open source, legal, and carefully vetted, so you can explore freely without worrying about your phone's safety. Now, if you love discovering new tools, customizing your phone, or just enjoy trying out things that aren't mainstream yet, then F-Droid is absolutely worth checking out. It's like opening a secret door to a whole new world of Android apps, and once you step in, you might never look at Play Store the same way again. Next up we have Droid-ify, which is a great open source app store that acts like a sleek unofficial client for F-Droid. Think of it as F-Droid's faster, cleaner, and more modern cousin, the one that ditches the unnecessary animations and went full minimal for speed and simplicity. The interface is super straightforward. You have got three main tabs. One shows newly updated apps, perfect for discovering fresh stuff. Another lists all the open source apps already on your phone. And the last one keeps track of updates, so no more manually checking which app needs a refresh. Now, searching and sorting app is a breeze too. You can easily filter by name, date, or latest update, and even manage or add your own repositories if you want to go full geek mode. And when you find something interesting, just tap to see the app details, version, size, screenshot, and all the essentials, and hit install. That's it. So if you're into open source software but want something faster, smoother, and way more user friendly than the original F-Droid app, Droid-ify is pretty much a no-brainer. Next app store on our list is Appteka, which is an awesome alternative app store for Android that goes beyond what Google Play offers. With this app store, you can easily extract and backup APKs, even system apps to your SD card without needing root access. It's super fast and user-friendly, making APK management really simple. Through this app store, you can discover and install free apps and even chat in real time with other users about different apps and games. Now, one of the standout features is that it allows users to upload APKs to share with others, which means you can often find free version of some popular apps. While Appteka gives you a lot of flexibility, remember that content moderation is only moderate, so it's wise to be cautious when downloading apps to make sure they are safe. Overall, Appteka is a powerful tool for Android users who want to manage, discover and share apps outside of the traditional App Store. Now, have you ever wanted to download apps from the Play Store without actually using the Play Store? Yup, that's exactly what Aurora Store lets you do, and it's kind of awesome. It pulls apps directly from Google server using the Gplay API, so you are still getting the real deal, just without using Google's tracking and signing in hassle. You can browse, download and update app anonymously, no account needed and no data shared. Now let's say you just reset your phone and want to grab all your favorite apps without logging into Google. Aurora makes that possible in a few taps. Plus, if you're still preferring signing, it uses microG so your privacy stays intact. The interface is sleek, fast and fully customizable with themes and layout options, making it feel more modern than the actual Play Store. And since it's open source and hosted on GitHub, you can know exactly what's under the hood, no hidden surprises. So if you're privacy conscious or just love having control over your app's experience, Aurora Store is a must-try. Our next app store is for those users who are seeking liberation from Google's grip, and it's called IzzyOnDroid, that emerges as a game-changing app store reminiscent of F-Droid style repository. This unique platform presents a wealth of official binaries from original application developers, sourced primarily from their repositories like GitHub. In a world where many users strive to minimize their devices' ties to Google, IzzyOnDroid offers a breath of fresh air by taking free from the constraint of Google Play Store. Now, this freedom to explore alternatives is a significant draw for users who seek greater control over their Android experience. Now, what truly set it apart is the treasure trove of unleashed and exclusive apps it hosts. These offerings go beyond the usual app marketplaces, promising a plethora of unique and innovative software choices. The app's features are designed to enhance user convenience and satisfaction. With an elegantly designed user interface, navigating through the repositories becomes a delightful experience. Now, there are times when we feel a little nervous installing apps from random sources, and that's exactly where Accrescent comes in. It's like a trustworthy friend for your Android, making sure the apps you get are safe, private, and free from sketchy surprises. Think of it as a modern, secure alternative app store. Now, one of the best part, on Android 12 and above, Accrescent handles updates automatically, so you don't have to keep checking if your apps are up to date. Perfect for busy days when you would rather not babysit your phone. You also don't need an account to download anything, keeping your emails and personal info safe. Now here, developers maintain control over their signing keys, and the store runs strong security checks to make sure nothing is tampered with. Even though the catalog isn't huge yet, every app you do find is worth it. So for anyone who values privacy and convenience without sacrificing safety, this app store is a pretty solid choice. So guys, these are some of the best open source app store that Google will definitely not tell you about. So which of the previously mentioned app store you like the most? Do you know of any other app store that we should have added to this list? Do let us know your thoughts in the comments down below. And for more future videos like this, do consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid.